Yo, great rising. Big Monday is here, and it's time to get started. Man, I was watching Game 5 of the NBA Finals, and look, I finally found out what's better than having talent. Look, I seen it. Look, the Lakers won the championship, but you gotta understand, they got punched in the mouth in Game 5 by this guy by the name of Jimmy Buckets, baby. Jimmy Buckets, that's right. Lakers had all the talent in the world, but Jimmy Buckets, he had something called grit. I'm talking about passion, perseverance, strength, and character. He had the type of grit that allowed him to say no to giving up. So here's what I need you to look at. 2020 is almost over. The pandemic done beat you down. Look, holiday season is coming around, and look, let's just be real. You're about to take a break. No, I don't need you to break. I need you to break through. Break through, and how you break through is through growing your grit, just like Jimmy did. It's simple because I was watching him, not just in the game, but as he would walk to the bench, his teammates thought he was crazy because he was talking to himself. Cheat code, baby. He was talking to himself. He was growing his grit. He was practicing mental resistance. They didn't understand what he was doing. He was self-talk. He was coaching himself through tough times. They were down by 3 points, and Jimmy was saying to himself, "We're okay. We're all right. Jimmy got grit. We're okay. We're all right. Jimmy got grit." Here's what you don't understand. At the age of 13 years old, Jimmy was homeless. Yep, he made it all the way to the NBA. So I can imagine him right then and there, right there in that moment, coaching himself through tough times, saying to himself, if I can get through homelessness, I can get through anything, baby. He was growing his grit through self-talk. So watch what you say to yourself because you will believe it, baby. That's my message. Watch what you say to yourself because you will believe it. You say at least 100 to 1,000 words to yourself per minute. So I need you to make sure that every word that you say to yourself, it makes you stubborn and giving up. Every word that you say to yourself, it speaks life into yourself. Every word that you say to yourself, it reminds you that nobody's coming to save you. You must grow your grit and save yourself. So look, it's Game 5 right now. You're in the fourth quarter. You're down by 3 points. And life don't care nothing about your talent. Only thing life cares about right now is, do you have the grit to push through? Do you have the perseverance to push through and end this year on top? So I need you to watch what you say to yourself and grow your grit. Give yourself that self-talk, that mental resistance that makes you stubborn to giving up. And I promise you, you see yourself go to a whole new level. I'm talking about from good to great to phenomenal to unstuck. Grow your grit.